child is screaming again. I swear he's okay. He needs attention. So I'll be back again. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Veronika. I am a part-time reseller, I'm a full-time college educator, and also a mom of a very loud child that you might hear in the background because he and I don't agree on what time he should be asleep. So that's what's going on in my life. If you're coming over here from Margaret's channel, welcome. Thank you so much for checking out this unboxing collab that we're doing today. So Margaret and I, we've been internet / Poshmark / YouTube friends for a minute now. I think we started reselling around the same time, and then she started her channel, I started my channel, and we've just been chatting ever since. We got to know each other on different YouTube live chats, and she's become a really good friend of mine, and I'm so excited that we're finally collabing on this Goodwill Blue Box unboxing. As you can see, it's not open yet. I did cover up my address. But this box came from Dayton, Ohio. I'm not sure if they all come from the same town, but this got here super fast. I ordered it on Friday, which is usually when the Goodwill Blue Boxes drop, the new ones. And it is the mixed women's clothing box, I want to say. It's like the women's something clothing. I will put it down here. I will get my act together, and I think it costs $24.99 plus shipping, and I think shipping is around $5. I did have a code because this was actually my first time ordering a blue box, so I had a 15% off code, so I paid a little bit less than that. I will pop that number somewhere over here as well because I can't remember it right now. I literally just sat down and decided to do this unboxing. Also, happy Valentine's Day. Wearing pink. Margaret told me she's wearing pink too, so we're dressed for the occasion. I got scissors. I'm gonna dig into this box, and I'm excited, but I'm also a little worried because you never know what you get with these things. And this is, like I said, my first time ordering this particular box. I've gotten some ThredUp boxes before. My very first video on this channel is a ThredUp unboxing. You will find it linked up here or there. I should know this by now. I don't. It's linked somewhere at the top of the screen, and yeah, that's my very first YouTube video, and that was a good box from ThredUp. So we'll see how this one does. Did I mention that I ordered this on Friday and it got here on Wednesday, the following Wednesday? Like, how? I don't like ThredUp boxes. You know the deal, right? It takes like freaking 4 weeks. Anyway, it got here fast. I'm excited. I hope I didn't just slice open some clothing. I believe the description says that you get 10 to 12 items of clothing. So the total cost of goods, I will pop that on the screen somewhere, and I will update my cost of goods once I decide how many items I'm actually going to list. In case you're wondering, I sell primarily on Poshmark, and I cross-list from Poshmark to eBay and Mercari, occasionally also to Kidizen, and I also sell to ThredUp. Okay, the box is open. I hope this wasn't too loud. I see sweaters. I'm excited for sweaters. The nice thing about these boxes is that you can pick the size range that you want, and I want to say I picked extra large / 1X. We'll find out. We're just gonna check these out. Okay, first up is a sweater, and it's new with tags. Okay, it is the brand. It's the brand Hooked Up, and it has 2 hearts on it. So how fitting is this for our little Valentine's Day collab? It has a tag on it that has 5,000 sale prices. So at some point it was supposed to sell for $12, at some point for $6. Originally it was $44. Let me actually show you the sweater because it looks nice. Okay, so it's a, whoa, okay, here we go. Oh, I see what's going on. So it has like straps, so it's kind of like a cold shoulder, but not really. I might have to like put this on myself to just figure out what this looks like. It looks a little bit dated, I'm not gonna lie. It's like this wine color and black striped. It is a size extra large, and it's new with tags. If nothing else, it's gonna sell on eBay for like 20 bucks or 15 bucks or so. Next up is another sweater. I do know this brand. I see it at the thrift. I just usually don't pick it up. It's BCX. And it's also in size extra large. It's also new with tags. Okay, that's at least a little bit exciting. This retails for $39, but was clearanced down to $11.63. It's an off-white lurex sweater. I don't know if I'm seeing things or if there's stains on it. I think I'm just seeing, like, you know, when you look at your ring light and then you look down, you kind of have that corona going on. Well, not the corona. Wow, that's not the word to use. The circle. Anyway, it's just like a nice little, what's that, a cowl neck sweater, and it has a rounded hem, and it does have, I don't know if you guys can see this, but it has a little bit of the lurex going on, so it's a little bit glittery. That's usually hard to show in pictures, but I'll put it in the description. And yeah, I feel like this, it might do okay on Posh. If not, eBay, Mercari, one of those. Okay, so we're at 2 items. I might actually remember to count. Another new with tags. It did not say these were all new with tags, so I'm excited. This is Style & Co., which also is not a brand I usually pick up, but it does retail for $50, and it was clearance down to $9. And it's an petite extra large. I think this is the newer Style & Co. label. And it's kind of this like lilac mauve color. And it's cute. I like it. It has a little bit of that trapeze sleeve. I really like it. Or trumpet sleeve, I think. It's very lightweight. It's very wrinkly, of course, right now, but I feel like if this doesn't sell, I might wear it. I'm gonna have to check on my child, so I'll be right back. And we're back. Sorry. The child needed some hugs. Let's keep going. We were at 3 items. Okay, more new with tags. Okay, I feel like they just kind of rummaged through the clearance section, and it's just, it all has tags on it, but it's nothing too exciting right now. This is Derek Hart, and it's a 1X. I almost feel like this is like a backstock mystery box, because I feel like those are the kind of brands they put in there. It also has the trapeze trumpet sleeve, kind of like a scalloped situation here, or lettuce, not scalloped, a lettuce hem. And yeah, it's just a great staple basic piece. It's a 1X Derek Hart. It doesn't say how much it retailed for, but it does have the tags on it, so I'm not mad at that. I see more tags in here too. Okay, this next one is a brand that I occasionally pick up for myself, but would not resell. But it has the tags, and it's NY Collection, or New York Collection, I guess. Yeah, I'm just going to show you guys this one. This is easier to see. There we go. You've probably seen it. It's an extra large. The only reason I keep saying the sizes is because it said extra large or 1X on the box. This is kind of cute. They're all kind of cute. It's just not brands I would pick up, but I would probably wear most of these, at the very least in a video. So it has this lace sleeve, kind of like a layered look, V-neck, and a print that I need to look up because I don't know how to describe it. When in doubt, it's geometric, right? More new with tags. If everything in here is new with tags, I'm not going to be mad. This is an extra large. It retailed for $29. They clearance it down to $4 something. Oh, it's Hippie Rose. Hippie Rose is often sold at, these are not Nordstrom tags, but I feel like these are from Marshalls or something. Hippie Rose. And this is, wait, what's going on? Oh, here we go. The Cozy Tee by Hippie Rose, extra large. It's nice that it has a name, you know, like a style name. I can put that in. It has a split hem, a little bit of a ribbed hem down here, and doesn't have ribbed cuffs, but another just very lightweight item. So far, I think if I can get like between $12 and $15 for each of these, because they're new with tags, maybe 20 for 1 or 2. I'll be okay with that. So how many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, 6. 6 so far. This is Love Scarlett, which is yet another brand of the same sort of caliber as the others. This is also new with tags. It's a size extra large. This retailed for $70 and was clearance down to $14. Oh, interesting. Has a lot going on. Wish I would have gotten this like well before Valentine's Day, because this could be good. My child is screaming again. I swear he's okay. He needs attention. So I'll be back again. Right. That reseller mom life, y'all. Although I will say I'd rather he interrupts my YouTube videos than he interrupt my my teaching. So, okay, we were on this number here. This Love Scarlett. It has this split sleeves, and then it's pretty basic in the front, aside from the very loud floral pattern, but it kind of has this, I forgot what this is called, but it opens up in the back and then it has lace underneath, so like a lacy layer. I don't know if I can find stock photos for these brands because I feel like this might be hard to show. I do have a plus size mannequin, but she's not really plus size. So sometimes it's hard to show plus size items properly. I could model them, especially this size range I could model. And part of the reason why I ordered this size range was that I figured, okay, I might just keep some of the pieces for myself. I'm like between a large and extra large right now. So, you know, this is probably a little too oversized for me, but this looks like my kind of color. And it's also a brand I don't pick up. And it's also new tags. Let me guess. It's going to be a clearance tag. Let me just guess. Yep. They're all the same clearance tag. And they all say last act. Anyone know where that's from? Because they don't look like Marshall's or TJ's tags to me. But this brand is Alfani. It's a 1X Ocean Teal, which is one of my favorite colors. Here's the other label, 1X. And it's just a nice ribbed knit sweater. This is really pretty. It's probably a little bit too big for me because it's a 1X, but I would totally lounge around in that. All right, more Nuba tags that I don't pick up, and that's clearanced. It's Charter Club, which you've probably all seen. There we go. And it is like a heathered sort of, oh, this is cute actually. It's a size extra large. And this is like a heathered kind of, what is this color? I keep looking at this ring light and then I cannot see colors properly anymore. It's like a red and navy and white sort of blend, I guess. This is actually really nice. It feels really nice too. I like this. It's a little too like matronly for my taste, but it's a nice staple piece. This might look really nice if I try to put it on. Oh, it retailed for 70 bucks and it was clearance down to 11 and nobody wanted it. So now I got it for like $2 or whatever. So it has these grommets in the front, a little bit of a faux lace up. I mean, why not? I feel like all of this eBay is probably going to sell on eBay. I don't see this selling on Poshmark, which is totally fine. Another Style & Co. I already showed you the label. Retails for 56, clearanced to $29.99. This is a 1X. And this is just a black sweater dress, I want to say, like a tunic sweater. Yeah, I think it's a sweater dress. This is really nice. I might keep this. It's a 1X though. It's a little too big for me. But very oversized. I mean, on me it would be oversized. But yeah, this is pretty nice. Oh, it says tunic on there. So once I steam these and, you know, maybe I'll try to model these. I'm not good at that though, so maybe not. All right, did we actually get something without tags? No, we got something. Nope, never mind. It has tags. A tie sleeve pullover and an extra large by the brand Freshman, 1969. Wait, no, 1996. Sorry, long day. This retailed for 44, was clearance down to 12 something. And it's this olive green sweater. I do like that they're giving me all the sweaters. It's just we're moving out of sweater season, so, you know. And they take up space. And it ties up here. This is pretty nice. I feel like this is a color that I don't particularly gravitate towards, but it looks nice on me. It has this little detail on the shoulder. And yeah, I do like this. That might be mine. We'll see. I don't know. It's an extra large. All right, we got one more piece in here, and of course I forgot to count again, so I'm gonna count at the end. This is also New York collection, retailed for 50, clearance down to $10.93. It's an extra large. You've seen the tag before, right? We've shown the tag. Can't really see it. Oh, this is nice. I like this, whatever this is. It's just like a space dye, heather gray, kind of like an active wear pullover sweater. Let me see the front. Oh, never mind. It's not active wear. Ah, never mind. I don't like it. But someone will, right? It has these like little, sort of like faux pearl embellishments. So yeah, definitely like more mature. Oh, and it has a knot in the front. So it's kind of like, it's mature at the top, and then it's like party near the hem. Anyways, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 items. So on the higher end of what they promised, and everything is new with tags. I mean, it's not like super desirable brands, but this is good stuff. And if nothing else, I think I can send it to ThredUp and at least make my money back, maybe make a few extra bucks. I don't know. I have to do the math. My math right now might not make sense. But for some of these that retail for $70 or around that price range, yeah, that might actually work out. I mean, I will list them, I think. They don't seem to have any flaws from what I can see. I mean, just because they have the tags on doesn't necessarily mean they don't have flaws. But they all look to be in good condition. It's primarily sweaters, tunics, and yeah, it's all women's tops. I've had the longest week ever, but I've been looking at this box and just wanted to unbox it. So I told Margaret, let's just do it. So yeah, I got 12 new pieces to steam and list. I don't have to do anything else with them. I'm really happy that they're all new with tags, and you know, nothing is like smelly or anything like that. So it's in terms of the condition that everything is in, I'm very, very pleased with this. Would I pick up any of these brands? No. Maybe at the bins, but then like to send to ThredUp or something, or if I was desperate. But that doesn't mean that they're not gonna sell. I mean, one of the brands that sells well for me on eBay that I usually don't pick up and I really only list when I get it for free or if it falls into my lap and is new with tags is Talbot's, which I feel like is kind of in this range here. So I'm not mad at this box. I'm curious to see what Margaret got, and if you watched her video already, leave me a comment down below and let me know which box you prefer, which one did you think was better. And then also, if you haven't watched her video yet, make sure to head over to her channel, Margaret's Market, and check out her video, and yeah, let her know what you thought about her box and my box as well. Also, if for whatever reason you're interested in any of these items, it's probably going to take me a minute to list them. So if you're interested, let me know. Send me a message on Instagram. My information is going to be right here. Or I will also put my email address in the description, which means I have to create a business email address by the time this video goes up. So this is a good incentive. That's what I like to do. I like to call myself out in my videos, so I have to do things by the time they go up. Anyway, thank you guys so much for being here. Make sure you like this video if you enjoyed this content, or if you just thought it was informative to see what is in this Goodwill blue box. And if you've tried out these boxes, let me know in the comments down below as well. Have a good day, you guys. Happy Valentine's Day. Mwah. Bye-bye.